All right, traders, this is video number 4, or section number 4, that is, under cryptocurrency trading for beginners, the 9 steps to becoming a rockstar crypto trader. This is number 4. This is called Know the Trend. All right, so we're back to Bitcoin against the US dollar. So let's talk about what the trend is. And the trend is simply what direction is the market going. So let's start right here, where Bitcoin hit this support level and started going up. What direction is the trend? It's going up, right? What happens right here? The trend goes back down. It goes back up. So one thing you need to understand, and listen to this carefully, the trend is your friend. We'll talk a little bit more about counter trend trading and things like that. But you need to understand that most of your winning trade setups are going to come from trading with the trend. So if you understand, like an example, if you were all the way back here in July 12th of 2018, and the market started going up and up and up, by the 16th, you realize that the market is starting to move. So we don't want to be taking selling positions when we know the market is going up. You're going to have a much higher chance of taking a winning trade if you're trading with the trend. And at this point, the trend is going up. So what would we be doing? We'd be looking for buy opportunities. We'll talk about that a little bit more. But in this example, the market went up. It broke. You already saw this existing resistance line become support. I would be taking a trade opportunity right here when the market hit, and look, it went all the way from 72.50 all the way as high as 84.77. You would have crushed it in the marketplace had you taken that trade. Okay, so now what happens when the market starts going back down? Well, now we're looking for selling opportunities to trade in the market. Does that make sense? So it's very easy. Is it going up? Is it going down? Or is it going sideways? Find a sideways market. Right here, you see this whole period of time from, let's say, this is like a 1 month period between September and October of 2018, where the market just went kind of sideways for a little while. Not much happening. Then eventually, same thing. Market was sideways for a long time. We had a huge spike, came back down and settled back into it sideways. What's called a consolidation. Just the market's chilling, not much activity, no trades. And all of a sudden, boom, it explodes, right? All the way down to where it's doing right now. So trade with the trend. When you know the market's going down, down, down like a rock, do not be looking to buy Bitcoin until you start seeing a confirmation. And we'll talk about that in some of the videos on when the market's actually back into buying mode again. Okay. And right now you can see how it's in sell mode on Bitcoin. That doesn't mean at the time of this video that it is. I'm saying is based on these charts. We're only looking for sell opportunities. Right now, I would be looking to sell Bitcoin if it came all the way up to the 4,400 mark based on this, because it rejected, worked its way down. If it hits here and bounces back up, and we can show in the shorter time frames that it's still working its way down, then we would look to sell for it to drop down even further. So I hope that helps. Let's go to the next video. All right, section 5 of cryptocurrency trading for beginners, the 9 steps to becoming a rockstar crypto trader. We want to talk about trading with the trend versus against the trend, which is called counter trend trading. By the way, this is all brought to you by Crypto Pro Elite. Go check us out. We've got free webinars. We're teaching a lot of really in-depth trainings on how to trade crypto. It's really, really cool stuff. Go check us out. But in this process, let's go back to my charts here, and let's talk about the dangers of not doing this the right way. Okay, you want to make sure, and I just accidentally deleted that line here. Okay, let's put that back on here. So, okay, that's horizontal line, right about right there. Okay, so when the market is trending, and you start seeing, let's go back here again, where we have this nice movement in the markets. When you know that the market is already working its way up, there are always opportunities. Like the market's working up. I would say we're still in buy mode right here, right? In fact, let me zoom this in here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Still in buy mode. However, are there opportunities to sell? Yeah, you could have sold right there. Gained a little profit here. You could have sold there, made a little profit, but you wouldn't know that until after the trade was already set up. So at that point, if you're taking a sell position, like these little opportunities, right? When the market is going up, and you have a strong uptrend, you're taking a very, very, very high chance of actually taking losses. Okay, now obviously losses are part of trading. We understand that. However, you don't want to go out of your way to put yourself in harm's way of taking losses when you can just be smart, stop and wait for the buy position. So we talked about this in the last video, but I want to reiterate in this video that when you want to be taking trend-based, you want to be trading with the trend. So if we are going up, especially in these cryptocurrencies, they move very hard, very fast. If you are in an uptrend, only be looking for buy positions. Okay. If it's in a downtrend, only be looking for selling opportunities. Do not look to buy. Okay. So I can't stress that enough. Let's go on to the next video. This one was really short. Next video.